Can you turn off Wi-Fi for WhatsApp on iPhone? In order for you to figure it out, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into the settings of a device. Once you're inside settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and move into apps. In this page, search for the application WhatsApp. Once found, click on it. Now in this page, you simply have to toggle off this button, Local Network. Once you have disabled this option, now the next thing you want to try doing is go back and inside the settings page, you have to scroll all the way to the up and then move into Cellular. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. Tap on Show All. You have to make sure that the WhatsApp option is toggled off. So by doing this, it should turn off Wi-Fi or Cellular on WhatsApp on iPhone. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.